Hey, if you wonder if you can connect a wireless mouse into your Realme 11 5G, yes, you can do this. And there's two ways how we can connect this mouse with our phone. So first, I'm gonna show you my way. Now you will have to go into the settings, go for the Bluetooth. And now when you are in the Bluetooth, I'm gonna actually unpair this mouse. Just turn off your Bluetooth, and on your mouse, be sure that you turn it on so you can find some switchers. That's how it looks in my case. And also you'll probably find the Bluetooth pairing button. If you have one, you will have to just click and hold this Bluetooth button and wait for like 2 to 3 seconds until the pairing mode will be enabled. In my case, when I enable the pairing mode, this indicator is actually blinking, the indicator of my mouse. I think that right now we can see this red light that is blinking. So now I can go into the Bluetooth, enable it, and now I have to select from the available devices my mouse. Accept the pairing, and as you can see right now, after a few seconds, I can use my mouse on the Realme 11 5G. If this method is actually not working for you, for example, you don't have this pairing button, there's second method. So when you have your mouse, when you have this adapter, you will have to actually connect this adapter into your phone. And it's actually the USB end, so you will have to get something like this small adapter. It looks like this, the USB-C to USB-A, and you have to plug it straight into your USB port. Next, you will have to go into the settings, find OTG connection, and enable the OTG. Now let me just unpair this mouse from the Bluetooth settings just to show you step by step how it looks. There we go. And now you will have to plug this into the port, this adapter with second adapter. And now, in the most cases, you will be able to use your mouse without any issues. But as you can see, in my case, it's currently not working, and I can try to click on this pairing button and see if I'm gonna fix this. There we go. So I just enable it, but it's actually not working. So as you can see, in my case, the first method is working, but the second one is actually not working. So you can tell me in the comments that maybe you have mouse that is actually working for the two ways. But yeah, that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.